Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your account and permissions. This avoids interruptions later. Sign in to the Google console, enable the language model or API, and confirm billing if you plan to use paid features. Once done, choose a preset model tier and open a test project or notebook. Prepare 5 to 10 example prompts that match your objective, summaries, code fixes, or chat flows so you can iterate. This first setup moves you immediately from idle to productive use. You now focus on crafting prompts and tuning settings to get reliable outputs. Start with a clear instruction, add 1 or 2 examples, and specify format constraints like JSON or bullet lists. This reduces ambiguity. Adjust temperature for creativity, lower for precise answers, higher for brainstorming, and set max tokens to control length and cost. Once you see results, iterate. Refine examples, switch model tiers, or add system-level directives to steer tone and role. This middle phase, you finish by validating outputs and preparing deployment. Run test cases, capture failures, and compare against your success criteria. Monitor API latency and cost in real time. When satisfied, deploy the model through the API or embed it in your app, making sure keys and quotas are secure. If things go wrong, first simplify the prompt and add clearer examples. Second, lower temperature or increase examples, and if persistent, inspect input context size or switch model tiers. This final step completes the workflow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.